Hi, I am here just popping in with an announcement, which is that my novel, Palm Beach, is now out. It is out in the world and you can buy it. You can go online and buy it at any of your, the bookstore where you like to buy books. You should be there. And if not, then they can order it for you and send it to you. Or, these days you can pop into a bookstore and it will probably be there. I would love for you to read it. I would love for you to let me know what you think. And because I know most of the people listening to this podcast are writers, I want to let you know that I still have available a workshop, a private workshop that I did with my editor, Emily Griffin, executive editor at Harper, about what the process is when an author and an editor are working on a book together. And you can only access that workshop by buying the book, by buying Palm Beach and just registering for the workshop with proof of your order. All you have to do is upload your receipt or a screenshot of the email that you got confirming the book purchase. I mean, either one is fine. And then I'll send that workshop to you right away. You can watch it on demand because it already happened. So it's now recorded and available for you to watch immediately. So just go to my website, maryatkinswriter.com, and you should be able to find that workshop available with upload. I hope you love it. I've gotten really great feedback on the workshop. People have said that it's just incredibly helpful to hear Emily walk through what that process is like. It was honestly even illuminating for me, and I've been working with her for 4 years. I didn't realize some of the ways in which we work together are not typical or universal. She works with different authors in different ways. I also didn't know things like how many manuscripts she's editing at a time and how many manuscripts she receives each week for review from literary agents. So if you're curious about any of that stuff, go order Palm Beach, and with proof of purchase, you can access that workshop that Emily and I did right away on my website. Palm Beach is getting some really great reviews. I'm so excited, that it's out in the world and that people are loving it. I hope you love it. It's a good beach read if you're taking any final trips of the summer. It is about a couple, Mickey and Rebecca, who moved to Florida to kind of start over after they've had a baby. Mickey is a caterer and an actor in New York, and Rebecca is a freelance journalist. When they get down to Florida, Mickey is offered an even better position running a billionaire's estate. And the problem is that this billionaire is somebody that Rebecca, his wife, thinks is evil. Like, he's made his money in ways that she finds really horrifying. And so already there's a tension there when Mickey accepts this job. But soon, Rebecca is also recruited to work in the household of this billionaire couple. And the rest of the story is what happens as their lives become more and more enmeshed in the lives of this billionaire couple in town. So there's a lot of juicy stuff around the extravagant world of that is Palm Beach, Florida, where a lot of billionaires live. Billionaires per capita is quite high down there, and I hope you love the book. So thanks for being here. Let me know what you think, and have a great rest of your summer. We'll be back in the fall.